Power distribution plays a decisive role in industrial systems and building installation. An easy, robust and flexible installation system is therefore an advantage. With the QPD installation system, Phoenix Contact offers a quick and easy connection technology for a variety of applications.
Plugs, cable connectors and distributors can be connected on-site without special tools. The individual cables are simply connected directly thanks to the IDC technology.
Let's take a look at some typical areas of application.
The QPD installation system allows cables to be easily and flexibly connected to devices. Connect the panel feed-through to the housing and insert the connector from outside, without needing to open the device. QPD is highly robust and meets degree of protection IP68 and IP69K. This means it can be used under extreme conditions. The components of the QPD installation system are temperature resistant from -40 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius. All components are therefore suitable for use on hot machine parts. In the case of extensive installations, numerous loads must be connected. The load can be flexibly diverted from the energy chain using T or H distributors.
The QPD installation system is your solution for quick and flexible power distribution.